We're with Gayle Goddard of the Clutter Fairy in Houston, Texas. Gayle, we hear from a lot of people who find themselves in relationships or friendships or roommate situations that are clutter unbalanced. One person is a lot more organized than the other. What's your best advice for those people when they need to communicate about clutter?
Okay, the best thing that you can do is to negotiate between each other about very specific items that are a problem for the person who's more organized, for instance. So if you are driven crazy by the fact that this particular coffee table always has stuff on top of it, then you need to communicate that specific problem to your partner slash roommate slash spouse and ask for a remedy that both of you can live with. So you may not end up with exactly how you would do it, but you might be able to come up with a compromise that both of you can live with, both of you can comply to, and release that focus as a clutter problem between the two of you. Make sure you negotiate when you're not already aggravated. You want to do it when you are in a calm space and you want to treat everybody with respect. It's really just a matter of perception between the two of you about what's clutter and what isn't. So if you're more organized, clutter happens to you a lot faster and you perceive it a lot more quickly. And so you want to ask very specifically, I don't like the papers on the coffee table. Can we put them in a basket? Can we put the mail over here instead? Can we put these things in a drawer instead? Are you okay with doing it that way? And you may get a yes or a no. And if you get a no, then you have to go on to your next compromise, your next option, and come to the table with a couple of options so that the person that's being asked to comply, do something differently, can have a couple of choices about which one they want to do, which one they feel like they're more likely to actually do for you on a regular basis. If you can do that negotiation while everybody's not mad and be respectful, you should be able to get past things that really set you off and have peace in your household again. Talk to you soon. Bye.